Today we're going to be replacing an air compressor pump on a Cobalt unit, and our repair tech Scotty is going to show you how to do this.
Okay, first step to replacing this pump on this 60-gallon Cobalt stationary compressor would be to remove the belt guard. We've already taken the bolts out, so we're just going to remove the guard, place it aside. Next, we've loosened the bolts to the motor so that we can take the belt off and slide forward and remove the belt. Now, we're going to take this discharge tube off. Take the bolts out of the pump. We've already loosened the bolts on the pump, so all we have to do is remove it. Okay, all the bolts out of the pump. You should be able to just pick it up, take it right off of the unit. Okay, we have a new pump for this unit, and now we're going to install it on the, just line up the holes. The bolts that we previously took out. Back in. And we'll attach the nuts and the washers. To put this tube back on before you tighten the bolts up, because you need a little clearance to slide it in. Now we can attach the bolts, we can tighten the bolts up. Not much clearance on the bolt head. You have to use a wrench. Belt back on. Be adjusted. slots in this motor.
How much deflection do you want in that belt, Scotty?
On the belt, you should have 1/2 inch deflection as far as tightness goes. That's the distance between here and here. You'll move this motor this way in the slots to pull tension on the belt. Once you get to a 1/2 inch deflection, you can tighten the bolts down on the motor and put the guard back on, and you have completed your pump installation.
And what kind of oil should they put in their pumps?
We recommend a synthetic oil for compressor pumps. You can use 30 weight synthetic or a partial synthetic or even just a 30 weight good compressor oil. And you fill it to the top of this red dot on the sight glass, and it is splash lubricated inside the pump.
Great, that looks pretty easy. So you're talking really just about 4 bolts to hold the pump on. The transfer tube, loosen it up, taking the belt off, and then just bolting it back on and putting some oil in it, correct?
Pretty simple operation just to replace the pump assembly.
Great. Okay, it's that easy to replace the pump on a unit to where you're just simply taking off the same pump and putting the new one on. And as you can see, it's a relatively quick operation. Thank you.